And welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be doing a Diamond Dynasty unboxing. So if you guys like to see this video, just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when your girl uploads. And let's get into the video. So yeah, this is what we will be unboxing right now. Is 2 weeks and some bonus. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to start off with the wigs. So when you order a wig from Diamond Dynasty, all the wigs comes in a pink box, like so. And then when you lift it up, it comes with the instructions, undetectable unit. So you get that, and then you get the hair. So I'm gonna just close the box up. So right here is the hair. So it tells you on the side. It's I don't know. It just say Katrina B. That's what it say. But let's look over there. So all of it comes in a hairnet. So you take it out the hairnets, and this is the hair right here. And then, oh, it's so pretty on camera. And it has a little tissue, and then this is the hair. So it's a little misdyed right here, which is okay because I was gonna dye this anyways, because it looks on camera it's coming off real vibrant and like blue, but in person it's like a dull blue, if that makes sense. It just look dull in person, but I was just gonna add a different blue tone to it. But yeah, this is the hair. It comes with the 4 combs in the inside, and then it has an adjustable strap in the inside, and then it has an elastic band thing. So yeah, this is the first hair. So this is what we got. I can't tell you the inches because it don't have the inches on there. But let's move on to the next wig. So the next wig comes the exact same way, with the exact same instruction. So it comes in a bag as well. So this is a lace frontal wig, 300 density, and it's a 14 inch. So this had more information than the last wig, but this wig is on their site. I forgot what it's called, but I think I have it pop up on the screen so you guys can see. I think that wig is on their site as well too. I think I have a picture pop up for when I was showing the other one. But yeah, it comes with a hairnet, and then it comes with the little foam inside. And so this is this wig. This is really a pretty fall color, y'all. I'm living for this one. And it's really it's really thick. Like, it's a lot of hair on this wig. I hope you can see. But yeah, it looks like a curl, like a deep wave. I ain't gonna say a curl, but this is the inside. It has the 4 combs as well. The only difference with this, it doesn't have a strap, but it does have the straps, adjustable straps at the bottom. And yeah, and you have dark roots, like dark roots, black roots. Girl got it dyed knots. But this is this wig. It's so pretty. This gonna be pretty for fall. This is giving me fall vibes right here, y'all. So pretty. So the last thing that I received was this package right here. So in this package we have the hair, and then we also have all of the information, like always. The guide to take care of your hair, what they offer, and we also have a thank you card. And then we have the pen. So that is what you get in your packaging. Well, the bag. So y'all, first I gotta show y'all, before I show y'all the hair, because you seen the color of the hair, but I want to show y'all what I'm trying to do with this hair. And I pray that this I finna cuss. I don't need to be cussing. I was gonna say I pray this shit turn out right, y'all. So if y'all want to see me record the process of this, just give me a thumbs up or comment down below. But 9 times out of 10, I think I'm gonna record the process, because I don't think I'm gonna have this video up in time before y'all, before I can get this question asked. But I'm going on Instagram because I seen this picture of this hair, and this is the picture, y'all. Oh, my screen dirty. This is the picture of the hair. Arrogant Tay, y'all can see. I can't put like the picture up, but Arrogant Tay did this to a wig, like a Easter wig. That's what he called it. But this is the picture, y'all. I'm gonna have the picture pop up, but this is the hair, y'all. This is what I'm trying to do with this hair right here. So let's get into the hair. So first off, I have a mink body wave, 22 inches, 613, 13x4 frontal. So yeah, it comes with a white hairnet, which I think is cute. Instead of a black hairnet, it's a white hairnet. I never really paid attention to that, y'all. But yeah, this is the frontal. Can you see it, y'all? So it's just a standard 13x4 frontal. So the hair is so like shiny, y'all, and luscious. It's really soft. But I was gonna tell y'all something. I don't do these videos just to show y'all. Like, I be really, cause you know, like, ooh, it's real soft. People be really trying to figure out, like, should I buy hair from this hair company? Is this hair company worth it? All that. Y'all, this is so soft. But I really wouldn't lie to y'all about their hair. Like, it's some hair, don't get me wrong, I love, and it's some hair that I don't. And so far they blonde hair, it's not bad. But one thing I can say about it is, I don't know if this is all blonde hair, because I've never bought blonde hair from any other company. It's just when you wash this hair, it feels like, say for instance, what I'm looking for, it feels like, I can't even find the words, y'all, but it don't feel like, I don't like it. Like, say for this got wet, right? It was like, this is wet, like, well, I can't really run my hands through it, but like, ooh, I can't find the words, y'all. It just don't, I don't like this hair wet. I just don't, I don't know the words, but once it dry, it be okay. But when it's wet, it feels funny to me. And that's just, I don't know, I can't really explain it. But when I show y'all me dyeing this hair, I'm gonna show exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, I noticed that with some hair that I've, some white hair, some blonde hair that I have received from them, it's just, I don't like it wet, because it just feel like, if I don't want to say damaged, but it feel like blonde hair, like it feel like the hair being processed, like it feels like that. But I got like one strand of hair, but this is so pretty. So let's get into, I think I said it was 22 inches, so this is a 22-inch frontal. So let's get into the bundles. So I have 4 bundles of mink body wave 22 inches. So all of this hair is one length. So I'm gonna just open this one. It's like really stuck in here. So, and then I feel like when you get your packaging in your hair, it comes nice. Like, not saying that, you know, your hair should just be thrown in the bag, but it comes with a hairnet. And then it comes in a little plastic bag, all cute. But this is the bundle, y'all. Ooh, look at that. It is so like shiny and pretty, and it's full. Like, it's gonna be so pretty, y'all. I pray that I do this hair right. But it's real thick. This is what a 22 will look like blonde. And these, oh y'all, it don't have no bad hair smell. But these are, I noticed I be watching YouTube, y'all. I be seeing people look at the ends, but these what they ends look like. Nothing out the way. It got a lot of flyaways, I can't say that. But look at this hair, y'all. This is so pretty. I don't know. I'm real hyped up because of what I'm trying to do to the hair. That's why I'm hyped up about this blonde hair, y'all. But yeah, this is what this is looking like. And it's real bouncy. And the only reason why I didn't do straight hair was because I feel like straight hair, sometimes it don't curl well. And you know, like, I want to curl my hair. So, it got like body wave. I feel like body wave will hold a curl better. But this is that. I don't think I really want to see me open up all these. Because they all the same length. It's not like no difference. But, this is another one. And I'm gonna just compare. I'm gonna just open two, just so I compare. Like the wells are, they seem to be the same. Well, one of them seemed like a little bit bigger, but yeah, it got a little black spot on that. But look, this is so full, y'all. So pretty. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna show you guys, because I ain't trying to have this video so long for no reason. And I don't really think y'all want to see me unbox the same. So that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give me a like if you enjoyed it. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, like I said in my intro. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below some video ideas that y'all would like to see me do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.